Hi everyone, Dr. Emily here. This video is for an SI joint correction. The SI joint or sacroiliac joint is located where the sacrum meets the pelvic bone in the back. You have a joint on either side. Occasionally one side of the pelvis can get stuck rotated and that can cause strain at the SI joint and pain. If that happens, what you will see is one leg will look longer than the other. Doesn't mean your legs are actually two different lengths. It's just because of the rotation in the pelvis that it makes it look that way. So to perform this exercise, you will need to know which of your legs is usually the longer one with this. To perform this exercise, you will need a belt, not a stretchy band, but a belt and a ball of some sort. You can also use a yoga block, whatever you have handy, something that you can squeeze. With this exercise, you will want to do it once a day until your symptoms resolve. This should never make your symptoms worse. If it is, you may not be doing the correct direction with the legs. You may have to switch, or it may not be the right exercise for you. If that's the case, discontinue the exercise and seek out your healthcare professional to help you figure out what's actually going on. Okay, to start, we're going to be lying on our back with our feet on the wall. You want to lie with your feet on a wall, with your knees at 90 degrees and your hips at about 90 degrees. In this instance, I'm going to demonstrate as if my right leg were the longer leg and my left leg was shorter. If yours is the opposite, you'll just switch. Okay, so with the right leg longer, you're going to push the right leg, the right foot into the wall as you bring your left knee towards you into your hands. You're resisting the movement in both directions, so you should feel your right glutes engage and your left hip flexors engage. You're going to hold for 5 seconds and then relax. And repeat this 5 times. With this movement, we're trying to pull the two halves of the pelvis back into alignment. You might feel a little stress in your low back, but it should not be painful. Once you have completed 5 reps, bring your feet down to the floor and grab a hold of your belt. Take your belt and place it around your thighs. With your feet together, you will push out against the belt for 5 seconds. Careful to not let your back arch as you push out. Keep a nice straight back. So 5 seconds pushing out against the belt, you'll feel the outer glutes engage, and then relax. You can remove the belt. You're going to grab hold of your ball or a yoga block or pillow. Feet are still together. Place the ball between your knees and now squeeze the knees together for 5 seconds. You may feel a strain in the pubic area, and that's okay. It may even create a pop, and that is normal as well. Don't be frightened by that. That's actually a good thing if it pops. And that's the exercise.